In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start with affiliate marketing. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can start with affiliate marketing. First of all, this is an opportunity. If you are looking for a side hustle or if you're looking for a business opportunity, definitely I can tell you that you should consider doing affiliate marketing. The reason why I'm telling you this, it's because, well, let me tell you a little bit about my experience. Okay, first of all, I didn't start my journey short time ago. I actually started back on 2007. At that time, I was doing something way different than I was doing before. What I'm currently doing, right? What I was doing, it's literally blogging. I had a really successful blog network. Unfortunately, I suffer in scam. Although people focus on the money, I can tell you that the most delicate thing, the thing that affect me the most, it's literally my mindset. I know people are like, yeah, you lost XYZ amount of money, but I can tell you that, hey, if you are currently having debts, you're having a hard time, okay, you're crossing a bad moment. Okay, it's just a moment. It's gonna pass, but at the end of the day, it depends on your actions, it depends on your decisions. So what I did at that time, if I actually looked not for one, but two full-time jobs because of this scam. If you have even have loans, credit cards and things like that, that the banks, they don't care who use the money. If it's actually under your name, it's your responsibility. So that's what's happened to me. So that's the reason why I had two full-time jobs. So I can barely make it, so I can survive and I can pay or try to pay my debts. Um, to keep story short, there was a moment in time I was like, man, I have two full-time jobs. I'm living uh, paycheck to paycheck, you know, but I need more money. Okay. I'm barely making it. So I was looking for, opportunities online. I was like, man, this is the moment. So I started doing everything. I started doing drop shipping, drop service. Before I even have my own agency, I am a graphic designer. So I try a lot of things until I realized, like, you know what? Previously, I was doing affiliate marketing. I was doing it all wrong. And I'm going to show you the right way to do it in this video. But I was getting some results. So maybe there is an opportunity here. So that's what I actually do. And to keep the story short, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And I was able to pay my bills, all my debts, no the story. And that's the reason why I'm encouraging people, to start with affiliate marketing. Let me share with you in a nutshell, you know, how it can actually help you. And as I told you before, if you're looking for a side hustle, maybe you're like me at the beginning. I was not looking to replace any of my jobs. I was looking to earn, a couple of $100, 300, 500. That would be fine. So basically with affiliate marketing, okay, you have a company here, and chances are that you already are promoting or recommending, different products and services, but you are not earning money from it. So here we have a potential customer. This actually, this situation, I can help you check this information. And if the person use your link, which is going to be your special link, which is your affiliate link, you're going to be earning money. Okay, tons of companies out there. Nowadays, more than 80% of the companies, they do have an affiliate program. The chances are that you don't know about it. For example, we have Nike, we have Under Armour, we have Adidas, we have Best Buy, we have Walmart. As you can see, they have their affiliate program. So literally, you can join, you can use your affiliate link, which is your special link, and you can earn money. Okay, so that's actually a way in which you can do it because there are, a couple of things that you need here. First of all, you need a product that you're going to be promoting. This can be a physical product or this can be a digital product. We also have what we call marketplaces like ClickBank. Here in ClickBank, you're going to have tons of categories. Okay. You're going to have tons of categories with products that you can actually promote. They do have offers here in different languages. So they have, for example, this is a physical product. They have digital products as well. So at the end of the day, you can actually decide what you would like to promote. And this is on average what people are actually earning. In this case, for this product, is $150. Okay. So you're going to have a lot of opportunities here, right? So with that said, we have what we're going to be promoting. We are not going to create the product. We are not going to create the service. We are not going to deliver it. We are not going to ship it. We are not going to be dealing with payment processors, customer service, tech support. So it's actually something great that you can do while you have a full-time job. You have responsibilities with your family and all that stuff. As I told you before, I was doing this while I have two full-time jobs because literally the only thing it's um you know recommending other people products and services. Okay. But now we will need eyeballs. Okay. We are going to need eyeballs. This is what we call traffic. It's literally people who are going to be interested on what we have to offer. Um, there are several ways nowadays, for example, and don't worry, you don't have to show your face. You don't even need to talk. Okay. For example, we have this TikTok account, okay, in which they are actually recommending Amazon products. Okay. All of these products, you can find them on Amazon. They do have their special link. They're not showing their face. Okay. And, they're getting hundreds of thousands of views, for people who are interested on this product. So this is the short form content strategy. This content, the pro is that you're going to get views super fast. The con is that it's not evergreen. So you're going to get a lot of views super fast, but it's not going to be content that is going to be there over time. But it's definitely a great way, if you want to have people who are interested on the product or service that you're promoting, like right away. Okay. You can also use the short form content on Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Okay. You can also create long form content and you can put it on YouTube. This content is going to be evergreen. And you can be doing something like what I'm doing right now. If you want to show your face, you can literally be going to be just recording your screen and you're going to be just sharing information with people. That's it. Okay. So do not overcomplicate things. But there is also another way of traffic that you can actually do, which it's actually blogging. You can create a blog. Okay. This way of doing affiliate marketing, okay, it's what I call the hit and miss strategy. I don't suggest you to go this route, although I using just for educational purposes, so you can see basically what is affiliate marketing. I don't suggest you to go this route. What I suggest you to do, it's to build a small system. And don't worry, you don't need to be technical. Okay, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be creating a two steps uh, funnel or system, which is going to be, first of all, an opt-in form, okay, in which we're going to be collecting people name and email address. Here, you're going to have what we call a bridge page. This can be text or this can be a video. And after that, since you're going to be introducing the product, here you're going to have the product page. The benefit of this is that people who are interested, you're going to have their name and their email address. So you can promote these products multiple times. Okay. Let's say that this can promote this product. So if they're not ready to make the purchase, don't worry. Okay. Um, sometimes it's not that they don't want to purchase a product. Sometimes it's that they're not at the right moment or time. People can get distracted. lives happen, a lot of things. So you're going to have multiple opportunities here to promote the same product, the same service, or you can promote other products and services as well. So you can have a business that is going to be running for you 24/7, although you have other responsibilities. Okay. So take that into consideration. And this is actually how I was able to earn money while I literally, you know, was, while I was, with my full-time job and all this stuff. So now, how you can do this, I'm going to be leaving a link below for this builder, which is the one that I use. It's called System.io. With the link below, you can open a free account. Yeah, you hear it right. It's actually going to be a free account, and you can create different things that I'm going to show you here in a moment. It's free for life. It's not a free trial, so they are not going to ask you for any kind of payment information. And just in case that you're wondering, like, okay, I have my free account, but I'm pretty sure that there is going to be some kind of limits, right? I'm going to show you more about this in a moment. For the next plan, it's going to be just $17. $17 per month. And if you want to have everything unlimited, it's going to be $97. Okay. In my experience, previously, before I was using System.io, I was paying just for one tool way more than $97. Okay. So here, for example, you're going to have 2,000 contacts, okay, that you can collect for free with the system that I show you. You can send unlimited emails. You're going to have one email campaign. You're going to have unlimited newsletters, automations, sales funnels. You can even create a blog. And I'm going to show you more about this in a moment. Let's say that you already create your account by using the link below. So you're going to notice that I really use this software. Right now I have 52 funnels. So you're going to go to sites, then you're going to go to sales funnel, and how you can create it by clicking here where it says create. Then you're going to put a name. If you have a domain, you can actually put it here. Diana, do I need to buy a domain? It's actually mandatory. It is not, because as you can see, I have my subdomain here, but let's be real. Where do you feel more comfortable, with this or with that proper domain? Okay, so I think you already got it. So now you're going to go and click here where it says build an audience. You're going to click here where it says save. And really cool thing about this is that you're going to have the 2 pages that I already show you. Okay. You're going to have the 2 pages here, which is the open page. And here they call it a thank you page, but we know it's actually the bridge page. So it's going to be this one, and it's going to be this one. Don't worry. You don't have to be a designer, in order to choose a design. Literally choose a template that you like, and you're gonna be able to edit it, drag and drop. The same with the thank you page. And on the thank you page, you're gonna put your, what we call your special link, which is your affiliate link. Remember what I told you about blogging, that you can create content that way? Here in System.io, if you're gonna sites, you can create a blog. Okay. So you're gonna create a blog. It's actually basically the same. You're gonna click here where it says create. Okay, you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put the name. You're going to choose the domain. You're going to choose the design. And you're going to click here where it says save. Okay. So you're going to have the opportunity to, put articles and things that you like on your own blog post. Nowadays, and this is actually a cool thing, you can use ChatGPT, for example, to write content for you. Okay. Of course, I suggest you to go and put your own touch and your own spin. Okay. So the information that ChatGPT is going to be giving you, it's like a foundation for something better. Okay. So yeah, can you copy and paste it? Yeah, you can. No one is going to tell you that it's not working. It's not like that. But I suggest you, to put your own spin and all this stuff. Okay. So now, if you want to have an in-depth training about this, learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. So you're going to have more information about everything step by step, how you can do this, you know. So check the very first link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell. I see you guys on the next video.